I'm going on a trip again. I went ahead and got a new travel toiletry bag. I've already opened the box, but I wanted to make sure that I show this in front of you. So this bag is actually by a company called Bestour. I'm actually in collaboration with them, but I will definitely give you my honest opinion because that's what I would want from somebody else. So anyway, the bag is actually the size of the box. Did you see that? There's no extra stuffing or paper to keep it in place. So it, like I said, it is by a company called Bestour, and it's stunning right off the bat. So there it is. Now the bag is waterproof. Like I said, it is pink this time. What I do like right from the get-go is that these two bags are in the front. Now there's supposed to be extra space for this. I'm just going to show you this little plastic covering here. So I'm going to put my passport in here. And I will bring this up close so that you can see it. I'm just going to drop that right in there so you can see that this is clear. So it does have this extra pocket here. It does have a zipper in the front, and it has an extra pocket behind it. So there's definitely enough storage space here. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to drop in items into each pocket so you can see how big and how much fit in there. So there's 2 boxes of contacts with definitely plenty of space to fit some other things. And this one expands a little. And I want to see how much actually fits inside. And don't limit yourself when it comes to travel bags. These can be used for anything. You can take this for camping, or if you're having a barbecue, you can put all those kinds of things in there, like your condiments. So definitely don't limit your thinking to just travel. And as you can see, that was a full-size deodorant that fit in there. So it has this strap right here so that this can just slide right into your actual suitcase handle. I think that's really nice. And this also has an extra Velcroed pocket back there. Something for easy access. You can just reach in and grab whatever, maybe your airline tickets or something like that. Before I move into the inside, there's another pocket right here. Okay, so if you register your bag within the 15 days of purchase, you get a 2-year warranty with it. So I think that's really good. So make sure you hang on to that and register it right away so that you don't forget to do that. So again, you have this really nice size pocket right there. I don't know how much product. I might actually have to go get some more things to put in here. It does expand quite a bit. So, okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that opened up. Okay, so there is a hook so that you can hang it. And I like that it has this little loop here so that you can just put that right in there and keep it out of the way. So that's really nice. This is what it would look like. And as you can tell, they've got the clear pockets so that you can see what is inside. And I like that it has the elastics to hold your products in place. Now this middle pocket right here, actually this third one, if you're looking at it from the top down, has 2 zippers. So this one is also have elastics to hold products. And this one, let me see what this one does. Oh, it's like a kangaroo pocket. It goes all the way through. And that's really nice. That way you're not struggling maybe to just pull it out. Okay, so let me zip this up. And here we have this 4th pocket. This one is actually removable. So I really like the thought of that. This is genius. Look at this. So it is detachable. And I actually have my makeup bag here because I came and brought my products. But if I'm traveling, I usually travel with this extra piece. Now I don't have to. I can just grab this if I need to take it somewhere, just separating it from my toiletry bag. I love that. I love that. Okay, so nice. All right, I'm going to attach this back on and start filling it up with products. Okay, so like I mentioned, I've got the passport in the front. I've got 2 boxes of contacts in here, and then right in the front, I've got the deodorant. And there's definitely room for more, but I just wanted to at least show you what fits inside because I wanted to see how much actually fits inside. I'm gonna leave this one empty for now. I'm gonna think about what I can possibly put in here. I think it'll make it easier if you're able to see it from the top down so that you can see how much actually fits in. So let me move my camera. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the makeup bag. Like I said, this is the zipper where it's detachable. I love that idea. Okay, so here is this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation in there. And this in there. So as you can see, quite a bit fits in this detachable bag. So let's move into this other section. This is the one that has the kangaroo pockets. I think I want to put my hair products in here. That is so nice. And these are all full-size products. So let's zip it up from the top, or from the bottom and the top. Okay, there's this one. Look at the space. Look at the space. And these, again, are full-size products. The spacing in here is amazing. And then I've got one more bag right here. I'm just gonna put some of my other like makeup products and brushes. And there is still a lot of room. I wanna see if I can, in here, I wanna see if I can fit one more container in here, which would be this. And it does. It does fit in there. I'm just trying to take up as much space as I can. And in here, I'm going to add one more piece. I'm going to add this in here, and it fits. Like more lipsticks. Now let's zip this up. And I still have room in here. So this is the bag. Like I mentioned, it is by Bestour. So much fits in here. Yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like open. There's the hook. Plenty and plenty of large size products. Here's the detachable bag. I love that feature. It just comes right off. And here's another bag. This is the one with the kangaroo pockets. So there it is. This is the new toiletry bag. Absolutely love it. I love how many full-size products fit inside. And there's still more room. I didn't fill this front pocket, and I didn't put anything in here. So there's definitely a lot of room. My favorite feature is the fact that it's waterproof is great, but my favorite feature is the detachable makeup bag. I love that. I wanted to make sure that I showed you and gave you my honest review. I'll make sure that I put in the description any other features that I may have forgotten or missed. So anyway, I am definitely going to be taking this on my next trip, which is coming up in just a couple of weeks. So perfect timing. I love that it's pink. Pink is the new black right now anyway. Anyway, so I'm glad I decided to go with the pink. They do have 5 different colors, so check them out, see what you think, and I would definitely recommend this bag. So I think it's a great product to have. So if you're going to take it maybe camping, or if you're going to go on a vacation or a weekend getaway, this is a great bag to have. So many great features. I absolutely love it. Like I said, this does have the pocket in the back. You can just slide that right into your suitcase. Stay till the end and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, we'll see you in the next one.